Hello, hello, hello. Here we are back again with another Shoe Snob unboxing video series, One Take Wonders. Well, I got the new favorite maker on the scene, and we have another pair. Far more exciting than the first pair that I showed you. I wonder if anybody can guess the brand just by seeing this box. Well, if you guessed ACME shoes, you are correct. So, here we are. Now, the first pair I did, which I'll put a link in the section below, was a suede derby from the very beginnings of the brand's kind of start. But here we have something far different, far more unique, far more impressive in my opinion. And yeah, I think it really shows the capabilities of ACME Shoemaker and why they are impressive. So, I've already done all the details on the box and the presentation, so let's jump right into it. Alright, so this kind of little goodie here plays a part into what we're going to take a look at, which I think is what's pretty cool. You know what's funny is I don't recall the first bags, but I don't remember them being as nice as these ones. I just love when bags are made out of tweed and cloth and whatnot. So yeah, here is a nice tweed bag with the ACME shoe logo. I'm not sure if you can even see that. Sorry if it's not very clear even in person, but anyway, lovely bags, like the little purple drawstrings. Now, get ready for these bad boys. Now, this is one heck of a shoe right here. Now, I'm assuming that my camera won't capture this patina in all of its beauty, but we'll definitely be able to see more of that in the up close details videos. Do make sure you always check those out. I do unboxing videos to share my thoughts on the shoes and the brand, but I don't really give you up close views of the shoes just for the nature of this camera and how we set it up. But that is what the up close detail videos are for. So make sure you watch both. Always the unboxing video is going to give you, again, details on the brand, my thoughts about the shoes, the presentation, etc. And then the unboxing video is going to show you the quality of the shoes and all of that. So, this is one of, man, just look at that shape. This is one of ACME Shoemaker's kind of more recent shoes. They originally made this in this lovely brown, and I saw it and I was just like, wow, blew my mind. And then, but I didn't get it in that color because I'm pretty sure, if I recall correctly, that was just quite a standard color. It wasn't a patina. Whereas this is like a modeled, like galaxy looking patina, which I think is pretty cool. But what I really loved, and this is gonna sound silly because everybody probably gonna love the shoes more, but what I loved is this new matching wallet. Wallet slash card holder, my version of a wallet, since I don't like to have big wallets, in the same patina. Now, not only does it have the same patina, but what really caught my eye was that they had stamped medallions on the wallet. Now, for those of you that actually really know me and know of my brand, you know, and maybe know of me personally, I love the fleur-de-lis symbol. So much so, I even have it tattooed, also because it's in my family crest. I also have a medallion of it in my own brand. So when I saw the fleur on this wallet, I said, wow, I gotta have that. Not to mention I needed a new wallet because mine's getting a little bit ratty-tatty. So I reached out to them, and not only could they make me the wallet, they could make the matching patina on the shoes. And I thought, that's a clever kind of little, you know, people like to get matching belts, but I thought it was cool to get the matching wallet. And I think that's a nice little add-on to a sleek pair of customizable shoes. So again, we've talked about ACME before, But I do believe, you know, it's funny because when I made the first video, they of course watched it and they took my critiques on board. And I can see that they've upped their game since, which is great. You know, we've all started somewhere and had to get better. Even me in the beginning. I remember when I got my first samples of shoes, they were horrible. It's been a never-ending battle to up the progress, up the capabilities of my factory, which is about pushing. And it's like becoming an athlete. You push yourself harder and harder to get better and better, just like being a shoemaker. So I can definitely see improvements in the making, which is just incredible. Again, ACME does fully handmade pairs, and it's obvious to see the lines. One critique I had was the finishing of the waist, and it being a little bit kind of like not choppy but not super clean, and this is now razor-like Japanese bespoke style. So I can see that they took that critique on board, not negatively, positively, and tried to improve their work, which is great. This is what we gotta do if we want to be the best. It's a constant battle of self-improvement, and here they've hit that nail right on the head. I love the sole. I love an all black sole, clean, no frills, no gimmicks, just beauty, craftsmanship, clean, shiny black sole, the very deep fiddleback. Again, I'm gonna show you all of this in the up close details video. This is more just about seeing the new shoes briefly, discussing this new feature of the custom wallets to match your shoe orders, which I think is cool, to talk about the improvement in craftsmanship and quality and finishing, which they've definitely done. Again, with ACME, you see everything on the Instagram, and while you can just order what you see, I do believe sky is the limit with them. You tell them what you want, they're gonna make it. Just take a look at the shoe trees. Beautiful purple lasted shoe trees. Same as last time. The last is different. I took the same size, fits great, all the same. If I recall, this one is actually a touch more kind of forgiving in the forefoot, which is fine. The other one was pretty snug. I like shoes tight. This one, they fit great through here. I have narrow feet. I actually love the lining on this one. This one has a deep blue lining, which I think is really nice. Being that I'm a sucker for blue, I'm sure they chose this because the main theme of the shoe is blue. So it wouldn't surprise me if they matched the lining because of that. Anyway, super impressive, really cool. The shape on that toe is just out of this world. To be honest, it reminds me of my dear friend Ricardo Vestetti, who is no longer with us, but that kind of super sharp and aggressive chisel is something to behold in this day and age. I hope you've enjoyed this. Do make sure you watch that up close detail videos. That will come after. Yeah, I can't really say much more about ACME. They're really stepping up the game to, you know, I'm sure at the top there's a race to who's the best, you know, and it's, you know, always going to be opinion based, but they're really giving the best a run for their money as they continue to impress with amazing craftsmanship, smart little detail pieces like this, which I think is a cool little add-on. I think guys that are buying dress shoes of this caliber appreciate things like that. I look forward to, now that I've finally done this video, getting rid of my old wallet and putting all my stuff in here. Anyway, make sure to give ACME a look if you haven't already. In the first video, I talk about the pricing. I don't want to quote again. I can't recall things. Sorry, I got a lot of details in my head. I want to say it's around $12.50, $1300 for the shoes, fully handmade, excellent quality. I can't recall how much they said the wallets were. These also have to be made individually if you customize them, so I'm pretty sure this is all hand work, hand done, hand stitched and whatnot. I could be wrong, but I do know they're made one by one, so it's not just like a production of them. They're not just already there, they're made to order. Yeah, great stuff. Super pleased with these, super impressed with these as well. I could just go on and on raving about them, but I won't. I'll try to save some of that raving for the up close details videos, and of course I will try to also get more photo oriented review posts on the blog. Thanks as always for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me just give you some details, sorry, in case for those of you who are wondering. This super sharp last is the T89. Remember that, if you like a super sharp chisel, T89. The model is 8019. I really love this because I think this is a super sleek kind of hole cut Adelaide, which is beautiful. I love the clean Adelaides with just one piece and clean everywhere else. So calf and suede. Okay, so just like I thought, the patina is actually called Galaxy Patina, and no wonder because it looks like a galaxy. Dare I say the Milky Way. Anyway, bit of jokes aside, hope you've enjoyed. Remember, please like, please share your comments, please share the videos, please subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate all your support. Do stay tuned for a bunch of more videos as they will be rolling through. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.